What's up, tag team? Welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be trying something very interesting. Gonna be making my eyebrows disappear. We're trying stuff. While I'm doing that, I'm gonna be doing Sally from Nightmare Before Christmas. I'm gonna be doing her makeup for you. It's gonna be an adventure. If you like this channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you're already subscribed, keep on watching, because I've got lots of cool stuff coming your way. That was so awkward. Awkward. I've wanted to do this for such a long time. Last night I watched a bunch of tutorials online on how to do it. We'll see where this goes. I have to put alcohol on my eyebrows just to get off all of the excess oil. Oh, this is terrible. What am I doing? Let's try a rag? I don't know. Oh, cotton swab. Okay, we're gonna do it this way. Actually, that's the way they were doing it in the tutorial. I just gotta get it wrong like 3 or 4 times before doing things the proper. Oh yeah, look at that. That's kind of gross. I'm using all-purpose glue stick, one of these, and it just said like smoosh it in, and then chick was like, brush it up. So I'm gonna brush it up. I look really surprised. It looks terrible. Why are my eyebrows so long? I hope you're having as much fun with this as I am. It said next step is to dust setting powder. Oh, that's way too much. Ugh. I don't know, I've never done this before. This is actually drying pretty quick. I think we're gonna have some success. So I'm gonna repeat that till it's like smooth. So I'm just gonna go in with some concealer. Start popping that on there. I mean, like, it's kinda tricky to figure out what I should do, because I'm gonna be doing my face blue. I feel like an alien. Alright. I guess I could start doing the blue now. Is it bad that I have like the Nightmare Before Christmas soundtrack on my workout playlist? So I'm gonna take a white eyeliner and start drawing on where everything needs to go, because that seems to be what people who know what they're doing do. We're making it work. I got some white water activated body paint with some blue. I just made my own custom color. So I took the white and the blue and just crunched it up and then mixed them together. We are on our way. This is why I say welcome on a journey with me, because things don't always go smooth. And this is getting everywhere. Everything I touch now is turning to blue. Oh, why do I do this to myself? I can't just have one makeup video go easy. Nope, nope, nope. Super cool. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and start filling in the skin. I'm gonna do the outline first. Welcome to Trial and Error with MagTag, where most of it's error. So I'm going to go backtrack and start with the outline, because I feel like I'm going to lose my outline as soon as I start filling in these colors. Now, like I said earlier, I'm going to go in and block in all the other colors kind of blending this a little bit as I go, so it's not as harsh of a line. But it's already adding that like sense of depth, and it's not just like a hard line. I always like to save the best parts for last. Like, I was most excited about the eyes, and I just wait and tease myself. I'm gonna start contouring with some blue eyeshadow. Just keep moving until you pop it out. And then you kind of know where to shade. So I noticed I was starting to look a little bit like a bird. So we're gonna kill some of this contour, because we're not like bird before Christmas. I will have nightmares of this makeup if I don't fix it. So yeah, we'll keep it cute. See, if you don't get it right the first time, just try it again. Blend that out so it's not as angry looking. Oh, that's better. I don't look like an angry bird anymore. I'll end up in an app. I'll become world famous. So I'm going to continue blending with some black in some spots I want to look a little bit deeper and more feathered out. All these bird references. So on the pink side, she's got some cool swirl action going on. I'm going to fill that in now. I've been waiting for this part. One of my favorites, red lipstick. I'm going to touch certain areas with white to bring them out. This is my favorite part because it takes everything from looking mediocre to looking like really good. Not to mention you can kind of like go over any mistakes and stuff you've made, and I make a lot. So now for lashes. So I'm gonna go in with that light blue color. I'm gonna soften that up a little bit. You can kind of like adjust things as you go. Like, everything doesn't have to be to a specific perfect formula. I'm gonna throw my contacts in and I'm gonna throw my wig on now, and I will see you in 2 seconds. Alright guys, so here's the finished look. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell button just so you can get notifications for each time my videos come out. Don't forget to leave in the comments below what you would like to see next, Halloween or not Halloween, because I love hearing from you guys, I really do. Every comment matters. So let me know your thoughts. Let's challenge me a little. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!
Oh my god. It's super creepy.
Ooh.
Don't do that.
This is Halloween. This is Halloween.
Okay, I don't want to see this anymore.
Halloween, 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 Halloween.
Okay. Okay.
You look so awkward.
You're really creepy looking.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.